Lauren, the Keno Queen from Palma Casino. I didn't do so good in the other one, so I moved into the next one. And let's see how much or what should I do here, okay? This is Lauren, the Keno Queen, saying hi from Palma Casino. Kind of empty. Let's go. So here I am. I'm playing my same numbers, my lightning rod, but I'm playing this one 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And then the rest the same. Okay? So let's see if anything happens here. I'm playing pennies, but let's see. The lighting is not very good in this, so let's see if I get anything going. If I get anything happening. I'm gonna put it in autoplay. So, all right. There's 4. Let's go. This is Lauren, the Keno Queen here at Palma Casino, trying to get a jack. Make sure you like and subscribe. No looky-loos, come on. I really appreciate you subscribing. It's free, no cost. Just, oh, come on. 2 more. Oh, man, that looked good. That almost looked good. This is Lauren. Make sure you subscribe and like. It's not fattening for one thing, so hopefully you like and subscribe. This is Lauren playing my Keno numbers just a little bit different. Let's see. Let's go. No looky-loos allowed. This is for your entertainment. Free entertainment. 4. Come on. Keep on going, girl. That's the way I like it. Let's go all the way. 3 on the side pocket. 3 on the side pocket. Nothing. 3 on the side pocket again. All right. 4 in the middle. This is Lauren, the Keno Queen, saying howdy. 4, 5. All right, again. It's promising. This is promising, okay? Sorry for the light. Let's see, maybe I ought to go this way. Come on. That looks promising to me. Just 2 more. Almost $5,000. I need that. I need that for my treasure. Let's go. I almost made a GoFundMe page. Come on, let's go. I did get a super chat from this person. She gave me $20. I already played her 20 and I thanked her. There you go. Come on. That's like great. Okay. Come on. Oh, 4. Let's go. There you go. 2. Come on. This is Lauren, the Keno Queen, trying to get a jackpot live. Andale. Let's go. Keno Queen, 7 out of 7. I have it in auto. I'm going to take it out in a minute, out of auto. But it's doing pretty good in auto. Maybe I should leave it. 3. Come on. This is Lauren, the Keno Queen. Got some different numbers here, so they're not in the 6s like I normally have them. In the other one, I have my 6s, the ones that I like. But in this one, I decided to move to the right. Come on. Come on, this is Lauren, the Keno Queen, trying to win live. I'm gonna take it out of auto. I'm gonna put it on my own. Okay, there you go. Manual now. Let's go. This is Lauren, the Keno Queen. This is now manual. Pushing the buttons now. 4 on the side pocket. Let's go. 3. Nothing. 3 in the middle. This is Lauren, the Keno Queen, saying, how do you do? The money went pretty quick on here. There's $200 in a jiffy. There you go. Come on, come on. Let's go. This is Lauren, the Keno Queen, saying howdy from Palma Casino, from beautiful Palma Valley here. It's close to San Diego, California. The weather is just perfect. It's a little chilly, but it's really beautiful. That's why we pay such high rents here. The air is expensive here. All right, don't want to do it. 3. Come on, Lauren. Let's hit. Let's be lucky, lucky, lucky girl. 3. Nothing. Don't want to give it to me. Don't want to give it to me. Let's go. This is Lauren, the Keno Queen, saying, how are you? A shout out to all my people that have subscribed and they send me comments. I try to answer almost every single comment that people, send me. I really appreciate you being here with me. So let's go. No, don't want to do it. If I hit it, I'll let you know. This is Lauren, the Keno Queen. Make sure you like and subscribe. Ciao.